Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain how we can easily find the determinant of 3 by cross 3 matrix. Okay, so this is our given matrix and we have to find the determinant of matrix A. So we represent the determinant like this, or we can use delta or did A to represent the determinant of matrix A. This is our matrix for which we have to find the determinant. For finding the determinant of a matrix, we need to expand the matrix along with row or with column. So in this video, I'm expand the matrix along row. Okay, so for row 1, this is row 1. Just mark the signs plus, minus, plus. Okay, and start with this one and write 1, and for writing the matrix inside part, just hide the row in which you are present. We are in row 1, so I will hide the row 1 and hide the column 1. Okay, and write the remaining part as it is in the matrix. Okay, 0 1 2 1. Okay, now come to second element of row 1. Here sign is minus and with 3. Okay, and hide the row and column in which the element 3 is lie. So this will lie in row 1, hide row 1. It will lie in column 2, then hide column 2 and write the remaining element as it is. Now remaining elements are 2 1 4 1. Okay, and now write the sign. So there is positive and write the element. Now hide the row and column in which 7 is lie. 7 lie in row 1 and column 3. So hide column 1 and row 1 and column 3. 2 0 4 2. Now you can easily find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so I will use the pen so that it will clearly visible to you students. Okay, so right here and just multiply 0 with its diagonal element. 0 multiply 1 minus 2 multiply 1 minus 3. You can use any brackets. 2 multiply 1 minus 4 multiply 1 plus 7. 2 multiply with its diagonal element and put the minus sign and multiply the 4 with its diagonal element. Okay, so 0 multiply by 0 0, 2 multiply by 1 2 minus 3, 2 multiply by 1 2, 4 multiply by 1 4 plus 7, 2 multiply 2 4, 4 into 0 0. Okay, so minus 2 minus 3 here. 2 minus 4 equals to 4 minus 2 2, and the sign is come of the number who has the high magnitude. So the magnitude of 4 is high. That's why the sign of 4 is come. -2 plus 7. 4 minus 0, 4. Because 4 minus 0 equal 4. Okay. 1 into -2, -2, minus minus plus 3 2 ja 6. Here -2 multiply with minus minus plus. Okay, so in multiplication the sign when we multiply the element is come, but in subtraction and addition the sign of the value come which have the greater or highest magnitude. Okay, so 3 2 ja 6, that's why 6 come here, and 7 4 ja 28. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4, and the sign of the big element come plus, plus 28. When the plus is present or positive is present in front of the or starting of the expression, generally we not represent the positive sign. You can also write this like this: 28 plus 4, 32. So the determinant value of matrix A equal to 32. Okay, just put the sign plus minus plus and expand it along row 1. Okay, and you can convert the 3 by 3 matrix into 2 by 2 matrix, and not 2 by 2, but we can simplify the calculation of 3 by 3 matrix by using 2 by 2 matrix determinant. Okay, and you can follow the procedure. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel.